Another question type you can add is the multiple choice. When you click the Add Question button, by default multiple choice is the question format that you begin with. So you can simply start entering your question. So choose your learning style. Option 1, maybe I'm an auditory learner. Add option, maybe I'm a visual learner. Add option, maybe I'm I believe the word is kinesthetic, and so on and so forth. With the multiple choice, because the choices you offer the respondent might not cover everything, they do give you the option to add an other line. And then this will give the person a line where they can type in their answer and choose that one. Now, each item, you can see as I move, has a little set of dots to the left of it, and this allows you to change the order of the choices. And as before, like with any of the other questions, you can duplicate the question, trash it, require it, and add a description. So here, maybe you give a definition of what visual learners, kinesthetic learners, and auditory learners are to help them answer that question. The description, as always, is optional. Now, the data validation, the go to section based on answer, that is reserved for a more advanced video, but just to give you a hint of what that is much like a choose your own adventure story. You can actually create separate subsections with their own questions that, for example, if someone chooses visual, they will then be taken to another section with questions that pertain to a visual learner. If they choose kinesthetic, they'll be taken to a different section based that contains questions about kinesthetic learners, and so on. So if you wish, you can create other sections using that section tool right here. So perhaps this is the section all about auditory learning. And the questions that are included in this area, the only way that you can get to this section is if you choose auditory here. And that would be accomplished by saying go to section based on answer, and then here, if they choose auditory, they're going to continue to the auditory learning section. So more about that in a different video, but that's what in essence that is referring to. So that is a multiple choice question. Those are the basics.